Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at a few pairs of socks from a company called MP Magic. I have 3 pairs that the company sent out for review, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. The first pair is the MP Premium Antibacterial socks, the MP Ankle Antibacterial socks, and the one that I was most interested in, the Merino wool socks. The MP Magic socks' claim to fame is that they have a specially developed fibre that kills odorous bacteria. So far in my months of testing, I can say that this does seem to hold true. So I'll start off with the ankle socks because I most often wear this style of socks. My favourite pair of ankle socks is the Darn Tough socks that I'm comparing them to in this clip here. The MP socks are really well made and have a nice firm grip around the foot. I found them comfortable to wear and didn't notice any odours at the end of the day. The only problem I have with them is that the back of the heel doesn't curve upwards like they do on the Darn Tough socks. This just means that when I wear certain shoes like the Nike Free RNs, they can rub against the back of my heel, which can be a bit annoying. Moving on to the Premium Antibacterial socks, I really liked the way these fit. I wear a size medium in Darn Tough, and for these ones I wear a large or extra large. But they still have a very firm fit, and they have elastic that goes around the foot to hold it in place. Each sock also has a left and a right marking, but I don't think it necessarily matters which foot you put it on. These socks are also very nice and lightweight and not too thick or thin. Finally, the Merino wool socks. These are quite thick and high compared to my other Darn Tough socks, which I'm comparing them to here. They're made from a substantial 82% merino, which is great. They also have a left and right marking, but again, I don't think it really matters which foot you put them on. The size I wear in these is actually the S or M, which is the small or medium. These socks are also $19 US, which is a bit cheaper than the comparable cushioned pair of Darn Tough socks, so I definitely recommend checking them out. Overall, the MP socks are very comfortable and well made and definitely feel durable and are odor resistant. They don't smell bad after wearing them for a few days, and they are quite competitively priced. I definitely recommend checking them out if you're in the market for a new pair of socks. So that said, thanks very much for watching, and be sure to let me know down in the comments which is your favourite pair of socks for travel, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.